YouTube, what is the deal? Welcome back to my channel. Man, it has been a long week and a half since I dropped a video. If you guys have not watched that video, it's my empty loft apartment tour. I got a new place, as you can see from the background here. If you have not watched that, make sure you do so. I'll leave a link in the description. Also, I'll put it right up here. Check that out, guys. Much love and support. I appreciate it. I got a lot of DMs talking about how they love the place. Can't wait till they see me decorated and stuff like that. I am being sponsored by a brand that is basically outfitting my whole living room, and a lot of the pieces have come. I'm still waiting for more, and so we'll drop more home content. But until then, this video, we're back to fashion. We're talking about 4 top coats that every man needs in the fall and winter months. Let's get into this video right now. All right, guys, so my favorite staple piece in my closet is the top coat. I have a lot of them, a little bit too much. So I had to break it down all the way to about 4 different styles that I would think that every man should wear. I won't be going over the prices, but I will leave a link in the description below for all the items. Some of them I've had for about a couple of years. They may or not be sold by that particular brand anymore. I will put something in the description that is comparable to what I have right now. So these 4 particular top coats that I chose, these are the ones that I get the most compliments about. Let's get right into it. The first one, every man should have a double-breasted top coat. It looks so good. This particular one here that I got is from Topman. It has this very nice navy and gray and maroon type of pattern that I really love, that intrigued me. Mostly all my top coats are a little bit more on the plain color side, so this was cool. This is a little bit more out of the box for me. It fits really well. Most of my top coats are in size large, but I really love the color. It is super warm. I get a lot of compliments from this particular top coat. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a description down and below. This I tend to pair with my navies and grays, just kind of balancing, using the colors that are on the actual jacket and using them for the interior side. Normally what I wear with this is like a brown shoe or dark navy type of jean, and you could throw on a white t-shirt just like I did here on with it. I just really love this particular top coat. Top coats can get really expensive, so go to places like ASOS, Topman. Yes, you're gonna spend still about 200 bucks, 300 bucks on them, but they're well worth it. These are staple pieces, and I've had these pieces in my closet for a while. Let's get right to the next one. All right, so for the second top coat, this one I got from ASOS. It is black, it is long, it is big. Pause. I am 6'3". This thing comes down almost to my ankles, and it is in a size medium, okay? It's already an oversized coat. You can tell by the drop shoulder a little bit. If I would've got it in large, it would've been a little bit too big for my liking, so I got it in medium. This is perfect when you wanna have like a suit under it, or if you just cold all over, or you just wanna look fly like Morpheus and just walking down the street, because that joint do just flap in the wind when you're walking. I recommend this. I got this from ASOS for, this was like, I've had this for like 3 years already. Again, guys, when you buy staple pieces like this, they stay in your closet for a long time. As long as you maintain them well, as long as you keep the upkeep, keep them fresh, send them to the dry cleaner, they'll be able to last for a very long time. Just remember that. So this one I really get a lot of compliments of because it's so long. You don't really see a lot of people with long overcoats like this. This next coat is my #1 coat that I get the most compliments from. Now, I got this coat from Bonobos about 2 years ago. Everybody knows that my favorite colors are black and gray. Aside from that, this massive houndstooth fabric catches everyone's eye. I posted it on Instagram right here. People love it, people want it. Unfortunately, I don't think Bonobo sells this anymore. Like I said, I will try to link something in the description, but it is hard because I've been looking for it, for example, for people to buy it, but I haven't found anything. But I really love it. This massive print, people never seen it before, and this is something that's gonna be in my closet for years. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna sell this anytime soon. Last but not least, This is another one that I get a lot of compliments from. It is an overcoat from ASOS with a shearling exterior. Usually you see the shearling interior like on like a denim jacket or leather jackets inside the collar or on the collar or lapel, but this one is all over. When I say this is warm, this is warm. It's nice and cozy. It feels really, really good. It's just a top coat that is just a statement piece. All right, guys, that is it. That is 4 top coats that every man needs in the winter and fall months. If it's your first time watching, make sure you like and subscribe and share it with your friends. I appreciate the support as always. I'll see you guys next week. It's your boy John the Baptist, out. Peace.